Now we decided to go to the center of Orebić, and I will show you a little bit this town. Today is little walk to this town. We are now on the mountain in the living area, and we will walk here now. Maybe we will go through the beach there. And you can see in the end of the street there is a mountain, big mountain. Here is a high about 1 kilometer in the top of this mountain. If you will go straight, there is a wonderful beach, and we will turn to the right there to the center. Here in the right is nice apartments, modern house, and here is parking lot. It's for money. It's paid parking. Now 1 hour cost here €2, and another time when it's not so much people, it's not summer. There is 1 hour cost €1, and here is parkomat. You can buy here ticket for parking, you can pay here money, and there is a beach. Now we will go to the right, and you can see here is also a parking place, and here you can see the beach, and there you can see camping, some small camping, and you can rent their place for camping. This is the area of this camping, and last year we asked there about prices, but I don't remember now how much it cost. And here you can see the sea. There is Karchula, and on this island is here is some streets in this area. All this area near of Orebić on the sea. Here is beaches, and you can use it for swimming and for relaxing. Nice. Now it's windy here, strong wind. We are not in the center now, but soon we will come. Here is wonderful pictures. And here is the church or something like that. And you can buy here some stuff for beach, for swimming. Everything is here. Sunglasses, for example. Here is a baker shop. Here is interesting street. You can see here quiet street and wonderful flowers is here. You can go the old town of Orebić. Wow, amazing. I don't know can we go through it, but Very interesting, and nobody walk here. Now we decided to go to back to our apartments, and we will go through some wonderful church here, and you can see there is a mountain. Very nice view here. There is a center of this town. We came to the yard near of the church. Wow, amazing. Here is this church, and we are now here near of church, and I will show you. Here is like egg, chicken egg. Maybe here was some picture on the egg, and this is, I think it's old church, and it work, I think so. Here's some pictures, and it works. So you can hear the voice of church. We bought now one pizza, and it cost 9.40 euros for all pizza, and it's for free here. And I started eat now, and we have such view from our window in pizzeria. And now I will finish my video. Today was a nice day, and we will go back to our apartments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in next video. Bye bye.
There.